Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. Today we are going to learn about the how we can install WP-CLI into your Linux. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here I'm facing the issue that WP command not found. So that means WP-CLI is not installed. So you have to install the CLI. So this is the curl command. Just copy this, then go to the terminal and install this. Control Shift T. Let's try to install with curl. This is done. Next, PHP with info. Okay, so here we have all the directory. Now we can do the permissions over here. Now we can just move this one like this. Then you have to move this CLI. Move. Okay, let me add the password over here. Okay, if I go with WP, you will get to know about the or everything. Okay, now you can manage the WordPress through the command line, right? So here cache, CLI, reviews, current, everything you will now come to know about within using the WordPress CLI. Okay, so this is how we are able to install the WP CLI into your Linux. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Next video, we are going to learn about how to use that CLI. Okay, like how to install the WordPress using the Bash script. We are going to learn in the coming video. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.